Where are you going to stand, Leather? Is it too windy? Stood right here. We're here. We're figuring out where we're going to start. Here's the gang from the red carpet committee. Woo-hoo! We're talking right now, right?
Wrong side. Okay. Oh, I'm getting out of there. Not it.
Gotcha.
It's two families just kind of built this thing together. They started Paramount out of a garage in 1954 in Portland, Oregon. Since that time, over the decades, they've been able to generate business through the industrial business, and then go on from that to expand into other businesses and diversify. One of Mr. Hagen's philosophies, which they still carry into the companies now from Paramount, is the fact that we always try to hire good people. I think everybody here knows that's not the easiest thing in the world to do, but we do try to hire very good people. And they stayed with that format over the years, probably the last 40 years, certainly on the Paramount side, and they've generated some really good people. They have an average in Portland and some of the working areas. There are people working there for 27 years before they retire, and they have a lot of those type of people. So that's what we're trying to start here as well. Mount Hood started out as the other family. We are also Mount Hood Fasteners as well as Paramount Supply. Mount Hood was a gentleman that had a company that did very well in the fastener business, and with Paramount doing so well in 2009, they bought Mount Hood. Ironically, our boss lives in Portland, and he's the nephew of the person that had Mount Hood. So he is actually family to us. His name is Riley Henderson, good dude. He's our boss, and he's out of Portland. Stays away from here. Probably safer for him to do it that way. We actually have branches in Alaska, Idaho, Texas, Arizona. Obviously, we have one here in Wyoming for 5 years now. We do a lot of different things diverse. This is a different market for this company. Mostly industrial, mostly sanitary, stuff for breweries, stuff for Monsanto plants, things like that. That's where we come from. So when they decided to put this one in, they needed a base business to do that with. They were able to get along with Dunn & Nobel and with the plant here, and that's why this store was actually built, was to support that under contract, which we are still under contract today with Dunn & Nobel. They've had a strong running track record with them. We also do Dunn & Nobel also across the country as well. We've had such a good insight move with these guys since they came out and did the one here, that actually our two-star players here are actually getting work from other plants now into Cheyenne, which is always going to be better business for us here, obviously. As a stocking distributor, our inventory is allowed to be shared between stores. All that it really takes a lot of times for these two, whoever So we stock stuff, some valving and some things, flanges, that kind of stuff, that they may only run into one or two of them in Portland or in Boise or wherever in the store they may need it. We can supply that just as well. So we keep a fairly diverse line of what we bring in as far as product lines. That's the big thing, is the bigger they get, the more support they want to give to themselves, obviously. So that there's not as much, they got better price buying powers and that thing. Mount Hood is always specialized in industrial and commercial hardware. So that's your fastener company. One of the nice parts about it is that everything that they produce obviously is domestic. I don't know how many customers we deal with in our business that demand domestic products. They got to be made in the States. This is one of them. If it's got a thread on it, Mount Hood can make it. So it's a matter of materials at that point. That's probably kind of an overview of it. The diverse part I wanted to explain to you a little bit too is that we're now covering everything, from breweries to you name it, hospitals. We have air filtration filters for hospitals. We have all kinds of product line that we can sell out of this store to make this community and our business a little bit better. And for that to even happen, you have to have quality people. That goes back to Mr. Hagen's theory again. We need to have quality people. I've been with this firm 3 years, going on 3 years. I have seen a ton of people go through this company. And we have only hired 2 people in the 3 years I've been in this company, and they're both standing right here. They're the most skilled people I've ever met for their age, for one, especially her. He is an insight guru. I'm just going to tell you right now. If anybody has anybody out here that needs anything, we're not going to ever tell you we can't get it. We're going to tell you we can get it. So call us. If it's something obviously we can't get, we're probably upfront on it, but if it's something we know that's in business, got construction, sanitary, anything dealing with breweries, oil and gas, industrial, any of that, commercial, any of that, we can provide for you. Again, we can make anything with threads. Keep that in mind. Because some people get that stuff built and it costs you a fortune to have that done. So that's something we can bring to it. We also have the second largest gasket plant in the entire western United States, in Phoenix, Arizona. So we can cut gaskets, man-made gaskets that are cut from spec for any oil field or oil, gas, industrial, anything out there. We also offer that. For that, I do have a couple real things I need to mention. These guys will fire me. Josh is, again, he looks extremely young. That's because he is. He's got well over 10 years experience inside. He has taught me, and I get to be his boss, so he's taught me the Kia system we run on. Not very good at it, that's why he gets to keep doing it. So, but he works with Roseanne too. I got to just briefly tell you, and I've worked with Josh, and Josh is impeccable, doesn't make many mistakes ever. That's one of the things I like about him. He's thorough. We can't hire anybody to work the warehouse, but god darn we're good everywhere else. So, you know, that's the big key, is warehousing help has been interesting to say the least. Roseanne's a different cat. I'm just gonna tell you right now. She goes by Roxanne, she goes by Rose, she goes by whatever you want to call her. She is one of the smartest ladies I've ever met for her age, to start off with. She's got 2, not 1 folks, 2 bachelor degrees. Abnormal science, which probably includes all of us out here. Would you not agree? Or criminal justice. So if you are in trouble, she'll probably put you in jail. So she's got all that, and she makes a mean-ass peanut butter. I'm just going to throw that out there right now. Get your orders in for the holidays while you can, because she sells out. So I'll let you do that. I want to close real quickly, just to tell you that together, this group is maybe younger, for whatever it's worth. It makes me very eager to continue doing what we do. We want to share the experiences of what we do with the community, because that's how Mr. Hagen wanted it to be done. And that's a philosophy I, quite frankly, believe in very much so. We are a team here. These guys call me names just like I call them names, and it's all good. And so we want to share our experiences with you. If there's anything you need to know, if you've got some questions, if we can answer them, please ask us. If you'd like to tour the place in there, please go put your hands on stuff, whatever you need to do. If you know what it is, that's a bonus. If you don't, let us know. We'll let you know what it is. But that's kind of what I have in the closing today for y'all. We appreciate y'all coming out again. This is new to us and very special to us, and we really appreciate your time. Thank you.
Do you guys have any questions?
Yes, ma'am.
So what breweries have you worked with in Wyoming?
Primarily just 2 or 3. Most of the brewery stuff that I've gone to is Rapid City, actually. That's a lot.
Also, Blues in Colorado. It's a big one.
I'm working. Yeah, I've worked with a couple in Casper. We're going up there. I happen to live in Casper. But for all of you people that I do live in Casper, I did graduate from Cheyenne in 1981. So I just throw that out there just so you all know. I can still name the starting basketball teams. I didn't play on it. So I can tell you all those guys, but we do want to share. I think, if I can speak for these two, I think that we really want to be partners with them in the business. I know that's out there. It's cliche. I get it. But I've been selling it for 30 years in the oil field, and quite frankly, the best customers I have are my friends of mine. That's the best way to do it. Get them to trust you and get something in there. We're looking for people to make mistakes out there to our competition because we're going to take advantage of it. And it's these two people and myself. We're going to make it happen.
So when you mentioned you build anything with threads,
Yes, ma'am.
so do you somewhat of a manufacturing of some sort? Where
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that located?
Portland, Oregon. Yes, ma'am. That's part of the Mount Hood branch. That's a pretty big outfit. Like I said, our boss happens to be the Mount Hood guy. So, we have to sell Mount Hood stuff. That's how that works. So, anything else, folks?
Yes, glad to have you as part of the chamber. What is it that you do to get authority to the chamber?
Well, quite frankly, it's pretty simple. Again, Mr. Hagan's idea was that community service and culture activism, as much as hiring good people, is the big reason. And plus, I own my own business in Casper for 25 years, and the chambers I have to. If you're going to be a successful business in a town and you don't involve the chamber, you've lost your mind. So that's why we're back involved with it. I quite frankly didn't know we were not part of it until Roseanne told me that we hadn't been a part of it, because we all just took over in the last 6 months. So I did also want to say something to the people out here about their skill level too. Just one more thing, because I'm obviously very impressed with them. I can tell you for a fact, these two don't know this, but they're the first two people in Paramount Supply to sell $480,000 in 75 days between two people, no mistakes. Now,
Woo!
that to me, I'm telling you, is phenomenal. When I started here, there were mistakes made every day. Okay, so 3 years later, we've cleaned up the business. These two have done a phenomenal job, and it's going to keep going. We plan on doing it.
Nice job.
Was it heavy enough on the beat, bro?
So he gets his free.
He does now.